306 horsepower, 8 years of warranty, and a massive €10,000 discount sitting right on the dashboard. Everything you need to decide between this and the Toyota RAV4 plug-in is right here. Mitsubishi gave the Outlander a presence that demands your attention. The Moonstone Gray metallic paint costs €1,250. It shifts tone dramatically under the show lights. 20-inch alloy wheels fill the arches completely. The front end is blunt, squared off, and aggressively styled. The black contrast roof visually lowers the profile. It looks massive in person. You assume that massive exterior footprint translates into endless cargo capacity. That assumption hits a wall the moment you open the tailgate. That will come in a few minutes. Everyone tells you to buy a Toyota RAV4 if you want a reliable plug-in hybrid. That is the safe, default European choice. Mitsubishi quietly brought the new Outlander PHEV to the show with an interior that makes the Toyota feel like a commercial van. I will cover the styling, the practical space, the Yamaha audio, and the final discounted price. Let's go! This cabin is where the Outlander completely embarrasses its rivals. You sit in semi-aniline brown leather seats. They are heated, they are ventilated, they have a built-in massage function. In a Mitsubishi, the Dynamic Sound Yamaha Ultimate System places 12 speakers and 2 amplifiers around the cabin. It delivers incredible clarity. I went looking for the cheap, hollow plastics you usually find in Japanese family SUVs. I struggled to find them. The electronic panoramic roof floods the dark leather with natural light. You do not feel like you are sitting in a pragmatic family hauler. You feel like you are sitting in a premium European product. 478 liters, around 16.8 cubic feet of boot space. That is the genuine compromise of this car. The rear electric motor and the battery hardware have to live somewhere. The load lip is completely flat. A protective luggage band is fitted here as an accessory. But the outright volume sits behind the RAV4. Think about the last time you tried to pack 2 large suitcases and a pushchair for a holiday. You will have to think carefully about how you stack them in this space. Whether you can forgive that lack of outright volume depends on what happens when you open the driver's door. 302 horsepower from a 2.4-liter Atkinson cycle engine and 2 electric motors, front and rear. 0 to 100 in around 5.1 seconds, approximately 4.9 seconds to 60 miles per hour. Over 400 Newton-meters at the combined system level, the figure that explains how a car this heavy arrives at motorway speed with no apparent effort. The official combined fuel economy is 0.8 liters per 100 kilometers. That requires a fully charged battery to mean anything at all. In real mixed driving without a nearby charger, expect 6 to 7 liters per 100, around 40 to 47 miles per gallon. Electric-only range sits at approximately 84 kilometers WLTP, around 52 miles. Enough to cover most commutes in a working week without the engine joining in once. Whether the salon price on this INSTYLE Plus works for your budget is your decision, not mine. It lands at €57,209 all in after the €10,000 discount. The RAV4 PHEV, an equivalent specification, carries a 3-year warranty. Kia Sorento PHEV offers 7. Mitsubishi gives you 8 1-year beyond the brand that made long warranties their entire market identity. That is a concrete difference in resale confidence, service planning, and ownership security. Mitsubishi didn't rebuild their place in this segment by asking for patience. They did it by out-warrantying everyone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.